video. And do you know what I mean, like you guys are starting to love it. Me too, I'm starting to love it. I'm getting better. And I can't wait to lay this wig down today, okay? It has to be laid properly in Jesus' name, because me, I don't have time for this. I mean, so I was sent this 13 by 4 deep, I think this is deep wave. I don't even know, it doesn't even have a name for the curls, but I would say it's like, I don't know, it looks like kinky curly. It looks like a kinky curly pattern, as you can see here. When the hair did come, oh my god guys, like the hair was full. Like the hair was crazy full, and my head is so small. Like I got such a small head, so I was just like, and this is, it's not working out for me, because it was literally too much. Like the curls were nice, the hair was nice, but it was too, like it was just too big. Like it was too guys, it was big. So I'm gonna show you guys like what I did. As you can see here, like normally when the wig comes, everything is like literally tight together, but I had to literally take some hair out because it was a lot. For those that like the volume, for those that like the bushy look, this is literally for you. But for those that literally like their curls a bit more, you know, I don't know how to explain it. I think this is like 180 density. So those that like, you know, the density less, I would say that you need to take out the tracks. But yeah, as you can see here, there's like a few gaps because I just took it out, and it was like, I thought I was gonna cut this wig. I was just like, oh my god, if I cut this wig cut, we're gone. I was thinking we're gone. But I managed to do it, and I was so happy. So yeah, but as you can see here guys, it's just so full. Like I keep on saying, it's really full. What I did is I did pluck the hair off camera. So I don't know if you guys can see this. So I did like pluck and bleach the hair off camera. I did already cut my lace. You guys already know the best way for me is to cut before, because I can't cut it on my head. So yeah, like the hair is good. This is how the wig looks inside. So it's a 13 by 4, and yes, we knew. Button bag is red this time, and it says West Kid because that's the company that sent me hair. And in the bag, I literally got scarf, as usual, colourful scarf. I don't know if it's gonna be like a big scarf, probably like a bandana scarf, I suppose. Yeah, another bandana scarf. This is cute, especially for those that love colour. Again, ooh, African princess, black queen. I need to stop saying that. But seriously, this is so cute as well. Look at the colours. This is actually so nice. I think I'm gonna put it like that as a necktie. I did it at the salon. Bonjour. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Sorry. Funny. Okay, I got a bonnet, which is great because I needed a bonnet actually. I'm trying to open it. So in this package here, oh wow, this is huge, my goodness. This bonnet is literally huge. This is good actually. This is actually great because they thought about this well, especially if you're somebody that likes to like sleep with wigs on. This will definitely fit this hair because this is literally, look how big this is. This is large. This is extra large, and they were really smart with it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, because this hair is a lot, so you definitely need something that's able to cover it. So that's the bonnet done. So they gave me another slick brush, and they gave me some eyelashes. So in the bag, it didn't really have instructions how to take care of the hair and stuff, but it's fine because you can go on the internet, literally on YouTube, and you're able to like, you know, just learn and just find out how to maintain your wigs. So yes, West Kiss hair, thank you. This hair is big. Like this hair is so big. And do you know what it is? I love the fullness. And like there's certain curly hair where they're thin already, and then you're literally like, as time goes on, it's shedding and shedding, then it just looks like there's like 3 curls on your head. So this is kind of good. I kind of like the full look, I'm not gonna lie. Once I washed it and conditioned it, yeah, like I'm feeling it, yes. I'm not gonna lie guys, the cap underneath, I'm definitely gonna take it off because it's not that type of party today. Definitely isn't that type of party, but the hair is so full. This is definitely giving me kinky curly hair because it's so like thick, it's full, and like the curls are really tight. So yeah, I actually like this, I'm not gonna lie. Sweetie, cute. So guys, let's get into the video. Also guys, what I'm gonna do, as you can see, the curls are starting to pop, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a bit of water into it, because as you can see, the bottom of my hair is still a bit, you know, bushy. I've made the hair wet. As you can see, the curls are indeed popping, so I'm just gonna add more mousse. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look, and I am literally, absolutely, I love this look. Oh my god, yes. To be honest with you, I'm actually getting better at this. Like, it's just looking so good. I love it. It's giving me vibes. It's giving me curly. This is giving me Dubai. This is giving me Maldives. Like, stop, because let me not go and slap on my bikini like this. Let me not go on Instagram and take a picture like this. Like, this is too much, babe. Like, sweetie. Guys, have you purchased your hair yet? West Kiss, guys, West Kiss, that's it. I don't need to say anything. West Kiss, that's it. This is giving laid, okay? But let me not come and gas myself up before the hairdresser police come and catch me. Guys, if you want to know where I purchased this hair from, the links are down below. Please make sure to give them a try, because this hair is literally, it's everything. Like, I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching.